this is the posterior view of the right femur, and the major area which you can see here is the linea aspera. So here I am going to give you a functional overview for the linea aspera. Now if you look at the picture from behind, you can see this is the medial lip of the linea aspera, where the vastus medialis is attached, originates, and this is the lateral lip where the vastus lateralis originates, and in front you have the vastus intermedius. So these are the three major muscles of the quadriceps femoris, so which causes extension of the knee joint. That means linea aspera is very important in attachment of the muscles which causes extension of the knee joint, namely the quadriceps muscle. That is number one. Now number two, let us look at the flexors of the knee joint. Yeah, here you can see the short head of biceps, just near the lateral lip, or just medial to the lateral lip. You can see the short head of biceps here. So the short head of biceps is a part of the hamstring muscles which causes flexion of the knee joint. So that means the linea aspera attaches muscles which causes flexion and extension of the knee joint. Now let us look at the hip joint. Here you can see the adductor group of muscles, that is the adductor brevis, adductor longus and adductor magnus. All three muscles are inserted near to the medial lip of the linea aspera. You can see here the longus, the brevis and the magnus. Okay. So this causes adduction of the hip joint. So that is adduction of the hip joint. The insertion of muscle causing the adduction of the hip joint is in the linea aspera. Now again, that's not all over. Now look at this muscle. That is, if you track the lateral lip of the linea aspera proximally, you will end up in a tuberosity called the gluteal tuberosity. A part of the gluteus maximus is attached to the gluteal tuberosity. So gluteus maximus is a muscle which causes extension of the forced extension of the hip joint. So extension of the hip joint, gluteus maximus. And your iliacus, psoas iliacus and pectineus are flexors of the hip joint. So muscle causing the flexion of the hip joint is also related with the linea aspera. So by and large, what we can understand from here is the flexors and extensors of hip joint are inserted to related with the linea aspera. The adductors are inserted in the linea aspera. Adductors of the hip are inserted to the linea aspera. The extensors of the knee joint are also arising from the linea aspera. And finally, the flexor of the knee joint, that is the short head of biceps, is also arising from the linea aspera. So this makes you understand the importance of this structure, the linea aspera, which is located in the posterior surface of the femur. Thank you.